Hello and welcome to the tutorial and instruction for use for TG multi-dispenser. The word multi came from this dispenser can work with multi and different type of cartridges, whether they are 10 to 1 or 1 to 1, also 2 to 1, different contents, which is 50 ml or 25 ml. Let's now first introduce the contents of this multi-dispenser. So it came as the device itself, which is the dispenser, and different breeches which they can work. The first one came work with 2 to 1, 1 to 1, 50 ml, and the other one works with 10 to 1, 4 to 1, also 75 ml or 50 ml, and this adapter which can use to fit the 25 ml in the dispenser. Also it came with different plungers, which are the first one here is 25 ml 1 to 1, this one 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 50 ml, this one is 10 to 1, 50 ml, and the last one is 4 to 1, 50 ml. Let's just now start and to introduce how this dispenser works. So first of all, we can see inside the grooves here inside the dispenser, this to slide the breeches inside the dispenser. So let's first use the 1 to 1 and 2 to 1 50 ml. It's very easy to use. All we need to do is just to push downward, slide, and now it works. Now we can use the plunger which fits for the 1 to 1 or 2 to 1. We have to push the button at the back and then slide the plunger all the way, and now it is ready to use. To take the plunger out, all we need is just to push this again and take it out. This process, it will work the same on the different type of the other plungers. However, I would have to now to put the 25 ml to show you how this works for the 25 ml. So now to take this out, it's a bit tricky, but when you get used to it, it's very easy. You have to push back, downward, slide, and pull. So we take this out. We can put down the 10 to 1 and 4 to 1 again. We push back, downward, slide, and now it fits into place. Again, to take this out, you push backward, slide,